A thrilling battle unfolds at sunset. On one side, the mighty Komodo dragon, the largest lizard in the world. On the other, the smart and agile leopard, one of the best hunters among big cats. The Komodo dragon is powerful. Its venomous bite is deadly, even more dangerous than lions or tigers. Once it bites, the prey doesn't last long. This creature swallows its food whole, giving it an ancient, beast-like vibe. Normally, the Komodo dragon is slow, but its attack speed is lightning fast when it needs to strike. Now the leopard is on the move. It's a smart hunter and waits for the right moment. The Komodo dragon uses its tail for defense, but the leopard is brave and skilled. After a fierce battle, the leopard wins. The dragon becomes its dinner. But the wild isn't done yet. A python appears. But the wild isn't done yet. A python appears. After eating its prey, the python becomes slow, which is when it's most at risk. While it rests in its den, it must stay alert for other predators. In the animal kingdom, survival is a constant challenge, even for the strongest.